Are you good at helping other people? Are you somebody who always likes to get a job that you don't work full time? All you actually do is you help people a few hours a day, you get paid, and then you go back and do other things that you have to get done. This is the perfect opportunity for you, especially if you want to do and become a virtual assistant. In fact, being a virtual assistant on Fiverr is the ideal gig for people who don't have a lot of time to find real jobs. If you want to do a job that's very part-time, you want to set your own hours, you want to actually help people out, and at the same time you don't want to be committed to one specific job. You like different kind of jobs to do. Virtual assistant is the way for you to go. So to create this specific job, what you need to do is to actually be very handy in more than one specific thing. Because if you can only do one specific job, you're not going to get that many gigs. In fact, the gigs that are selling the most are people who can do data entry, they can do some copy and paste, they can do some specific office programs. And if you can do something like this, you definitely are going to get a lot more gigs. So the more qualifications that you list in the gig itself, the more likely somebody is going to buy your Fiverr virtual assistant gig, and they will keep on coming back to you and keep on buying the same exact gig. So this is an ideal gig for you to do, and this will actually be good for a lot of people who are starting out on Fiverr itself.